And we are talking about the site camp. The size of the camps depends on the size of the project and what type of the works will be carried out and how far the site located from the headquarters. So this is depending on the site camp. So that the most case, the site camp can be set at the local village through which the roadway pass. Then the suitable accommodation and the stores can be rendered from the local villagers. In the more remote place, entire sites need to be established by the project. The standard requirement for the site camps are the accommodation for the supervisor, equipment and operators, a site office, a site store, appropriate cooking facilities, toilet, bathroom facilities, and extra site store for the fuel, oil, and the lubricants. For a low construction project that covers more than 7 to 8 kilometers, the camp will probably have to be moved once, twice, or even several times. These moves have to be planned way in advance so that the necessary transport can be arranged. So this is required factors for the site camp, also the designing and the planning the site camps. အဲ့တော့အလုံးနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့အလုပ်စကားကိုတည်ဆောက်ရမယ်။အလုပ်စကားရဲ့အရွယ်အစားဆိုရင်ပဲပါပေါ်မူတည်လဲဆိုရင်ဒီစီမံကိန်းရဲ့အရွယ်အစားပေါ်မူတည်နေတယ်။နောက်ပြီးတော့အလုပ်သမားတွေကဘယ်အလုပ်ကိုလုပ်မလဲ။နော်နောက်ပြီးအဲ့ဒီတော့ site camp အလုပ်စကားဆိုရင်တော့ဌာနချုပ်ကနေဘယ်တော့ကွာဝေးသလဲအဲ့ဒီအချက်တွေမူတည်နေတယ်။အဲ့တော့များသောအားဖြင့်တော့အဲ့ဒီအလုပ်စကားကိုသက်ဆိုင်ရာလမ်းဖြတ်သွားမယ်သက်ဆိုင်ရာရွာမှာတည်ဆောက်တာဖြစ်တယ်။အဲ့ဒီမှာဆိုရင်အဲ့ဒီရွာမှာဆိုရင်တင်တော်တဲ့နော်မှားရမှုကိုပြုလုပ်နိုင်တယ်ထို့အတူပဲအဲ့ဒီရွာမှာရှိတဲ့ story ရလည်းအသုံးပြုနိုင်တာဖြစ်တယ်။တကယ်လို့နော်တိဆောက်တဲ့လမ်းဆိုရင်တော့ကိုယ်ကွာတဲ့နေရာတွေမှာဆိုရင်တော့အစအဆုံးအကုန်လုံးတိဆောက်ဖို့လိုအပ်တယ်။အဲ့လိုတိဆောက်ဖို့ပါဆိုရင်အဲ့ဒီမှာ supervisor တွေ equipment တွေနောက်ပြီးတော့နော် equipment တွေကိုမောင်းနေတဲ့လူတွေအဲ့ဒါအတွက်နေဖို့ထိုင်ဖို့တွေနောက်ပြီး site မှာရှိတဲ့ရုံးခန်းတွေ store room တွေချက်ပြုတ်ဖို့အတွက်ပြင်တော်တဲ့နော်အစီအစဉ်တွေအိမ်သားတွေရေချိုးခန်းတွေနောက်ပြီးလောင်စာစီတွေချောစီတွေသိသိဖို့အတွက် store room တွေအဲ့ဒီအချက်တွေကိုနော်ဒီ site camp မှာရှိဖို့လိုအပ်တာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့တော့ site camp ဆိုရင်နော်7 to 8 kilometer အထိနော်ဒီကားပါဖြစ်တယ်တကယ်လို့အဲ့ဒီတဲ့ဘူဝေးဆိုရင်အဲ့ဒီ site camp ကိုထပ်ပြီးရွှေ့ဖို့လိုတယ်အဲ့ဒီရွှေ့ဖို့အတွက်လည်းဒီရွှေ့ပြောင်းနိုင်ဖို့အတွက်လိုအပ်တဲ့ကြိုတင်ပြီးတော့စီစဉ်မှုတွေကိုပြုလုပ်ထားမှာဖြစ်တယ်Those are the requirements for the hand tools. So hand tool requirements are depending on the various side of the project. So in this case, you can see that the size of the hand tools, the number of the worker, and the hand tools, number of the hand tools, you can see in the displays. Boom, for the other house, boom, swing that the Yashi, the Isaiah Maswing, those one a year 20, don't want me, don't agree, a year 20, and I do for that. Then once that we are using the hand tools, all hand tools need to be maintained. So that all the hand tools need to be sharpened, all the handles are firmly fitted, not damaged. And if you find the damage to on the side, need to report to storekeeper and replaced. And in this case, for the large process, also have to employ a person to maintain and repair the hand tools, and also the check with the local villagers, and the blacksmith carpenter need to be utilized, and also the camp is equipped with the effective sharpening tool, sufficient supply of spare parts, and the cutting edge of the access hooks and the grass slasher are normally sharpened with a whetstone. The edge of the other cutting tools are best kept sharp by selecting all the flat, half round, and the round file. For the saw, small triangular shape file. So those are maintenance of the hand tools. And all the don't agree on you think of the roof now. You can take the whole day, do it our lower day, we are doing like idea swing, no, Mapiasibo lower day, the yellow Piasini swing, think of later, Piame, and all, Gima the project they must swing, Eddie. လက်လုံးကရိယာတွေကိုပြုပြင်ဖို့တဲ့လူကိုခံထားဖို့ဖြစ်တယ်။အဲဒီသက်ဆိုင်ရာရွာမှာရှိတဲ့အလုပ်သမားတွေနော်တပည့်ဆရာတွေနော်သူတို့နဲ့ကိုလည်းပဲအသုံးပြုရမှာဖြစ်တယ်။နောက်တစ်ခါအဲ့ဒီနော်တူးတွေကိုနော်တင့်တော်လို့နော်ခြုံထက်အောင်သွေးဖို့လိုအပ်တယ်။နောက်တစ်ခါအဲ့ဒီတူးတွေမှာဆိုရင်တင့်တော်လို့ခြုံထက်ရမယ်အဲ့မှာပစိန်တွေနော်ပေါ်ပြားတွေရဲ့ဒါတွေကိုတင့်တော်လို့ခြုံထက်ဖို့လိုအပ်တာဖြစ်တယ်။ထွန်းတော်လည်းတစည်းတွေမှာလည်းတင့်တော်လို့ပြန်ပြုပြင်ထိန်းသိမ်းဖို့လိုအပ်တာဖြစ်တယ်။ A simple advice should be available at the site store, enable the storekeeper to work specially. This is the important for the simple advice. All the spare handle must have, and also do not rely on makeshift handle made locally on site. Wheelbarrow, or that need to maintain serviceable. And the boys law, it should be replaced before the we boys use again. So this is the guy of the device and the equipment to be maintained. And all. And those gammas means that big old, big only time at a or big only vice time at a then all the way to set up the Korea, you let them all do not be attainable to what up today. I must see the physically, I see the body, not the Why the piano that's in Tabulu at the work time at Done, the don't really no doing big only below 10 days, so I checked it. There are two stories. Tools are issued by the storekeeper to the workers every morning and returned in the afternoon after the completion of the work. Ensure that the worker are issued with the correct types of tools corresponding to the work activities they will be carrying out. The storekeeper is responsible for the keeping full records of the tools and controlling the daily issue of the tools to the worker. The total amount of tools on the site needs to be counted regularly and report back to the headquarters. The size of the stores depend on the amount of tools to be stored. When the roadside is isolated, the store has to be well stocked and therefore tends to be larger in the size. The tools should be stored in the dry and the secure place. Stock items neatly so that they can easily be counted. Stock different items spacely and the stock items different size and spacely. If necessary, employ a watchman to guard the stores when the storekeeper is off duty. So this is a kind of a story required for the tools. And the don't go, no. Storekeeper ni biaထုတ်ပေးရမယ်မနေ့တိုင်းမှာဆိုရင်လုံတော်ကနေထုတ်ပေးရမယ်နောက်ပြီးတော့ညနေပိုင်းမှာဆိုရင်အလုပ်ပြီးတဲ့အခါမှာပြန်ပြီးသိမ်းစီရမှာဖြစ်တယ်ဒါအလုပ်သွားတွေကိုသူတို့လုပ်ရမယ်အလုပ်တာဝန်နဲ့ပတ်သက်ပြီးတော့တိုက်နေတဲ့လက်သုံးကိရိယာတွေထုတ်ပေးရမှာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့ဒီ storekeeper အနေနဲ့ဒီသုံးပေးထုတ်ပေးလိုက်တဲ့ကိရိယာနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့မှတ်တမ်းကိုသိမ်းစီရမယ်နောက်ပြီးတော့နေ့စဉ်ပဲနော်ပစ္စည်းကိရိယာတွေအလုပ်သမားတွေကိုပေးတယ်လဲဆိုတာကိုလည်းပဲသိနေဖို့လိုတာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့တော့အရေးအတွက်ပေးသွင်းလိုက်တဲ့ပေးလိုက်တဲ့စီတူးတွေတဲ့အရေးအတွက်ကိုနော်ပုံမှန်နော်ရေအတွက်အမှာဖြစ်တယ်ရေအတွက်ပြီးတော့မှလိုအပ်တာကိုဒီလိုတော့ဌာနချုပ်ကိုပြန်တင်ပို့ပါဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့တော့တကယ်လို့အဲ့ဒီ road side ကဆိုရင်ဒီလမ်းတီဆောင်နေတဲ့နေရာဆိုရင်ပြီးတော့ဝေးကွာတဲ့နေရာမှာဖြစ်တဲ့ဆိုရင်အဲ့ဒီစတိုကိုတင်တော်လို့ပစ္စည်းတွေနဲ့ကောင်းကောင်းအကုန်လုံးပြည့်စုံထားဖို့လိုအပ်တာဖြစ်တယ်နောက်တစ်ခါအဲ့ဒီနော်ဒီလိုလက်သုံးကိရိယာတွေကိုနော်6တွေ့ပြီးတော့နော်တင်တော်ပြီးသိသိထားတဲ့နေရာမှာသိသိရမှာဖြစ်တယ်နောက်တစ်ခါသူတို့ကိုလည်းကောင်းကောင်းရေတွက်နိုင်ဖို့လိုအပ်တာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့ဒီနော်ဒီလိုကွဲပြားတဲ့ပစ္စည်းတွေကိုကွဲပြားတဲ့နေရာတွေမှာထားဖို့လိုအပ်တာဖြစ်တယ်နောက်တစ်ခါအဲ့ story ကအနေနဲ့ကအဆောက်လည်းသုံးရတာဖြစ်တယ်story ဒီပါဒီ off duty ဖြစ်နေတဲ့အချိန်မှာဆိုရင်ဒီအဆောက်ကိုအသုံးပြုဖို့လိုအပ်တယ်Each piece of the equipment has an operator manual which specifies the where the lubrication and adjustments are required. As a rule of thumb, the following activities should be carried on a daily basis. The clean and check the lubrication oil level, radiator water level, hydraulic oil level, hydraulic hose and the couplings, grease nipples and the track, battery terminals and battery water, connections from the alternator, or the VVAC and the tension, tire pressure and the tracks, transmission oil level, brake and the clutch fluid level, and the nuts and the bolts of the basket and track. Those they need to be clean and checked. So, don't you have basically at the cruise, like the master into my don't you there operator manual sheet? No, like the sweat out the sheet. Hey, so the sweat out the mother bear chain, Benyamas way, throughout the below, below me, and I'll do that today. This in Emia, Chosy the no, they will say a me, Nabio, no, be the Yegama here level, let's say I may like hydraulics or in the CD level, let's see I may hydraulics, so county, assess that let's see I'm a today, Nabi the Kuluku, not the Chosy Tabby, not the low, Chosy Tabby, and the other CCMA, the battery. Terminate battery the machine yiri siame na bi di order leader ne set ွယ်မှုတွေနောက် VVAC တွေနဲ့နောက်သူတို့ရဲ့တင်အားတွေနောက်ပြီးသူရဲ့ PR တွေနောက်ပြီးဒီတည်ယူပို့ဆောင်နေတဲ့ C ရဲ့ level တွေနောက် brake တွေ class တွေမှာရှိတဲ့ C level တွေနောက် board တွေ nut တွေအဲ့ဒါတွေကိုအမြဲတမ်းတန့်ရှင်းပြီးတော့စစ်ဆေးဖို့လိုအပ်တယ် Material supply of material should be made well in advance of its planned construction. Ensure that the sufficient materials are available on site before commencing of the works, for which the materials are planned, so that notify the engineer in the good times when stores need to be replenished. When the materials are received on the site, it is the responsibility of the storekeeper to inspect and verify that stores are in the good order and the correct quantity. Finally, that the materials are recorded in the store's ledger. And the pure oil and the lubricants, pure oil and lubricants should be stored safely away from the other supplies. These items can be fire hazard if not treated properly. Make sure that there are no open fires nearby, such as the fireplace for the cooking, etc. Pure oil is normally stored in the drums. Make sure that all consumption of pure oil and lubricants are properly recorded and accounted for. So this is for the how to keep the material store the pure oil and lubricants. And all theဖြည့်ဆည်းပေးတဲ့ဒီပစ္စည်းကိရိယာတွေကိုเนาะဒီအသုံးမပြုခင်မှာဆိုရင်ကြိုတင်ပြီးတော့ဖြည့်ဆည်းဖို့လိုအပ်တာဖြစ်တယ်။နောက်တစ်ခါအလုံးမစခင်မှာဆိုရင်ဘယ်ပစ္စည်းတွေသုံးမယ်ဘယ်ပစ္စည်းတွေထုတ်ပေးမယ်ဆိုတာမှတ်သားဖို့လိုတယ်။နောက်တစ်ခါဒီလိုစတိုမှာဘယ်ပစ္စည်းတွေပြန်ပြီးဖြည့်ဖို့လိုတယ်ဆိုတာလိုပဲအင်ဂျင်နီယာကိုအသိပေးကြောင်းကြဖို့လိုတယ်။အဲ့တော့ပစ္စည်းကိရိယာတွေကိုတော့ဒီ site မှာ website မှာလက်ခံရရှိတဲ့အခါမှာဆိုရင် store keeper အနေနဲ့ကเนาะပစ္စည်းကိရိယာတွေကိုစစ်ဆေးရမယ်စစ်ဆေးပြီးတော့မှသူတို့ကသက်ဆိုင်ရာเนาะဒီအရေးအတွက်တိုင်းရရှိမရှိရတာကိုစစ်ဆေးဖို့လိုအပ်တဲ့ဥရောစတိုလေယာမှာမှတ်သားဖို့လိုအပ်တယ်။နောက်တစ်ခါလောင်စာစီတွေတော့ချောစီတွေကိုစစ်ဆေးတဲ့အခါမှာဆိုရင်အဲ့ဒီလောင်စာစီချောစီတွေအနေနဲ့ကတော့ဒီပြင်တော်တို့တော့တိကျစီသိတိုးလောက်သိစိတ်ဖို့လိုတယ်။ဒါကြောင့်မလို့အဲ့လိုတိကျစီမသိသိဘူးဆိုရင်ဒါမီးလောက်ကျွမ်းနိုင်တာဖြစ်တယ်။ဒါကြောင့်မလို့အဲ့ဒီရောင်စာစီချောစီတွေသိတဲ့နေရာနားမှာလည်းပဲနော်ဟင်းချက်တဲ့ပြုတ်တဲ့နေရာတွေမရှိအောင်ဟုတ်တာပြီးသတိထားဖို့လိုအပ်တာဖြစ်တယ်။နေ့စဉ်နဲ့အမျှသုံးပြုတဲ့ချောစီတွေလောင်စာစီဘယ်လောက်သုံးရတယ်ဘယ်လောက်ကြံနေတယ်ဆိုတာလည်းမှတ်သားဖို့လိုအပ်တာဖြစ်တယ်။ And also that we also use the Galva rings. Galva rings are normally stored at the roadside and the branded location of the Galva. Cements are the very expensive. It might handle stored with gas, avoid the breaking of the sack. And the packs are wooden packs for the settling of activity anomalies are produced on the site. They should be made way in advance so that the site has sufficient supply when they are needed. So this is for the requirement for the Galva ring, cement and the pack. Now Galva ring they are so the roadside မှာသုံးပြဖြစ်တဲ့အဲ့တော့တင်တော်တဲ့เนี่ยနော်ကျိုးတင်ပြီးစီစဉ်နိုင်တယ်မှာသုံးပြပါဖြစ်တယ်သူတို့တတိနဲ့ထားပြီးတော့သုံးပြဖို့လိုအပ်တာဖြစ်တယ်နောက်ကစီးမဲ့နော်ပြီးလာမြေဆိုရင်အရေးနော်သူကစေးကြည့်တယ်သူတို့တတိထားရမယ်အဲ့ဒီပြီးလာမြေကိုနော်မသုံးနိုင်ဘူးဆိုရင်အဲ့ဒီပြီးလာမြေကဆိုထိုင်းသွားပြီးတော့နော်အသုံးမပြုလို့မရပဲဖြစ်နေတာဖြစ်တယ်နောက်တစ်ခါအဲ့ဒီနော်ပြီးလာနော်သုံးပြတဲ့ခါမှာဆိုရင်ကဒီလိုအများအားဖြင့်ကိုကြာသွားပြီးတော့ကြာသွားတဲ့ကြာစီသိသိသားတဲ့ပြီးလာမြေထိုးအရင်ဆုံးသုံးရဖြစ်တယ်။နောက် back တွေ wooden back တွေကတော့အဲ့သက်ဆိုင်ရာ worksite မှာပြုလုပ်နိုင်တယ်သူတို့အရေးအတွက်ကိုများများပြုလုပ်ထားရမယ်ဒါကြောင့်မို့ဒါမှလိုအပ်တယ်လို့သုံးထုနိုင်ဖို့အတွက်လိုအပ်တာဖြစ်တယ်။ Basic principle of the setting out before we start this the rules that you have to make a setting out. The commonly used setting out procedure is based on the use of a series of profile, post and the screen lines. Level giving control of the levels during the construction. As a result, the method began known as a profile post method. The basic principle when using a profile post is that when we set them out, we are putting a series of the level posts that show us a level 1 meter above the completed construction level. With the practice, it becomes easy to work with these tools and the rope can be built properly, economically, and at high quality standards. So to ensure that we obtain the correct level in the dish, we will put the profile post at the position A and B, 1 meter above the level we want the dish to be. So this is the level of the dish. We can also provide the profile post. Now to go out of this line, now the other commas we provide setting outlook for what setting outlook the commas we provide both the tapo what and provide both the tapping commas swing. I provide both you now. I construction level at 10 meter ဟွာမှာဆိုရင်တက်စင်ဖို့လိုအပ်တယ်တက်စင်ရမယ်အဲဒီတက်စင်ပြီးတော့ပြင်တော်တဲ့ level တော့ထားဖို့လိုအပ်တယ်အဲဒီပြင်တော်တဲ့ level ထားပြီးတော့အဲဒီမှာဆိုရင်ကျိုးဆွဲပြီးတော့အဲဒီ profile ပုတ်တွေရဲ့အနေအထားတွေကိုတော့ဒီနေရာချဖို့လိုအပ်တယ်Traveler is the start profile post so we can move around. It is known as the traveling profile or the traveler. So that profile with the traveler. And along with the line from the A to B, we evacuate excavate the slot to be in the dish. We place the traveler in the slot in the side from the profile boat, position A to the profile boat in the position B. So this is the traveler need we provide. So to provide the good guidance, our slots are done at a regular intervals every 4 to 5 meters along the straight line. When the sufficient slot have been done, so the worker can start excavation the ditch by the joining of the slot. The traveler can be used to check that the training wall is to be correct level and there are no high or the low spot. So this is the way we have to make the traveler. Now to go on the traveler level, profile boat A and B or target of us a traveler in the charm. A traveler they are swinging like meter time as in the charm and we slot it hard. Your aim as a little one, 2 hours, 2 years come as in Eddie, no, you look level there, Yama Yamta, Sebo Luati, a traveler in there. I learned power them ye do that in Tamate, now a time that she machine out, gone on 69 up today. This session is a step-by-step thing of the canvas of the road section, the rolling and the hilly terrain. So in this case, you can see that this is the cross section of the road. The rope chamber is set out together with the side drain. In this case, you can see the low canvas and the side drain. It is possible to construct the canvas and the side drain. Poma Popia the line chapay will fit it, a line near a sound man, the side drain will be south harbor. Now I side the thing, the line a sound 8% sound people, side drain will be south harbor. So the one we are 8 by 5 meter cheap. When the setting of the rope canvas and the side drains, it is important to reduce the amount of the excavation to minimum by the following exceeding level of the tally along the rope line. The procedure described below is the efficient way of the setting of the rope level. Step 1, using the previously set of the center line, set of the ranging rope at the 10 meter interface along the center line for a section of the 50 to the 100 meter. So the 10 meters are interface and a section of 50 to 100 meter had to be set out. At the start of the section, measure of the position of the rope shoulder and the outer end of the side drain from the center line. The width is assigned at the other end of the section. And place a wooden back nail to the edge of the ranging rock. Step 2 is once the D position of the rope has been set out at the start and at the end of the rope section, side in the intermediate ranging rock at the areas of 10 meter around the rope shoulder and the side drains. So this is for the setting out procedure. And rope canvas and side drain you will setting out below my below the camera swing, hello, still maybe 2 a year 20 not Pamana short channel market. But I'm also no chart the setting outline or don't the camera swing, not 7 meter in the way I will disarm me and on section 50 to 100 meter. I see that disarm, no setting the one market. And the section to go to a like my swing, then all the position, Dina, Dina, Biroma, no, set that lower market. I must say, foot back the old now, that's the army. Nama Shide, no, Diga Jade, no, and Sneeze Hardy, who not set out to be the Kama swing, no, Eddie has a set ranging rodeo, 10 meter, Amazonia, Charnia, you set out to a full one. Step 3 are on the center line of the rope that fits the first profile both. This profile may be already in the position as a last profile from the previous setting out. If not, measure the 1 meter up from the existing ground level and the multiple level on the ranging rod. Fit the profile both to the ranging rod so that the dot edge of the profile both is at the mark make on the rod. So in this case, you can see the profile bolt. You can put the profile bolt in the diagram. You can see how to set the profile bolt, shoulder, side frames, arrangement. Okay, go to the center line, reaching the rod at the other end of the rope section and repeat the procedure, measuring 1 meter from the ground level. So this is the ways we can put the setting out, and by setting out, you can also set out the line construction. And line is a lemma. No, line a lemma for my diamond, nearly charming, a chart either come as we a ground level and 1 meter. They did စီတော့တိုင်းတာပြီးတော့ပုံမှန် profile book တွေကိုချဖို့လိုအပ်တယ်ပုံမှန်ပြထားတယ်အဲ့ profile book တွေကိုချလိုက်ဆိုပုံမှန်ဖော်ပြထားတယ်အဲ့ profile book တွေကိုချတာပါဆိုရင်အဲ့လို profile book တွေချတာကိုဒီလမ်းမီတာတိုင်းမှာဟိုဆက်ပြီးတော့ပြုလုပ်ထားဖို့လိုအပ်တယ်ဒါပါလဲဆိုရင်ဒီလမ်းကိုမတိဆောက်ခင်တည်းမှာကြိုတင်ပြီးတော့နေရာချတာဖြစ်တယ်ဘယ်နေရာမှာဆိုရင်ကင်မရာထည့်မယ်ဘယ်နေရာမှာဆိုရင် drain ထားမယ်အဲ့လို profile book တွေထားပြီးတော့မှဘယ်လောက်အနေမြင့်ထားမယ်ဆိုတာကိုပုံမှန်ပြထားတဲ့အတိုင်းပဲနေရာချအောင်လိုအပ်တယ်And in this diagram, you can see the stepwise USC development on the profile book. By sighting the intermediate profile from the Y end, fix the profile book on the immediate ranging rods along the center line so that they can be all the same level. So we can put the same level on the profile book and the one, so you can also set it up. Now, Poma Pobia Dive by Land Chama, so in the Lantisamania Chama profile book time, and 1 meter, and a minima in profile book time, and Lutabio by profile book, level to do PL, Land Chama Nia Chapuluade. And the statistics are check the height of the each profile book above the ground level. If the height is approximately 1 meter, there is no need for adjust them, and you can use the level of the profile as it is. If the height of the profile books are greater or less than 1 meter by 10 centimeter, then the inspect the line. There may be the half of the depression along the line. The cell line will be in the most cases small and out of the variation. So you can see that there's a line meter. So in this case, when the profile book are different, so it will be the cutting have to be done. Adjust the profile position so that the 1 meter above the ground and then lift the profile at the BCE to strike the line when the profile is D and the D to F. So there will be the by the appropriate setting of the profile post, we can also reduce the amount of the excavation wall. Now, for the profile book, the profile book level is here to level the block water, a level quamu, Mudibioma, no excavation is low at that. And I appropriation by Mudi, Tendodronia, Charm, Chabioma, excavation a year to ago, no, 2 a year to ago, no, stunning of short chabu, low at that. So that when we are setting out the profile posts, they are the general rule. It is better to get the profile rather than to draw them. Try to get the list and draw the less than 10 centimeter. Try to match the load level to the darling and use the profile to get the picture of the vertical load alignment. The before starting on the next step, make sure that the side drain can be emptied. It is important to spend the time to and also the step 7, the transfer the level to the ranging rods at the outer end of the side drain. Start with the beginning of your rope using the string and the level line, transfer level of the profile book at the center of the line to dish on the both sides of the rope. Once the level are set out with the profile book, mark the level of back snake to the each ranging rod. So this procedure for the same ranging rod at the other end of the rope section. Now, actually, figure out about the profile you marble as in like chavo the pobio, regule. Not to the same meter loud. 10 centimeter လောက်ထိပဲအကွာဝေးရှိဖို့လိုအပ်တယ်။ဒါပြီးအဲ့ဒီ road level ကိုဖြစ်ပေါ်လာတဲ့ခြေမြေတော်ဒေတာအခြေအနေနဲ့ကိုက်ညီဖို့လိုအပ်တာဖြစ်တယ်။အဲ့ profile နေရာဆိုသုံးပြီးရမယ်။လုပ်ရဲ့ vertical alignment ကိုလည်းကြည့်ဖို့နိုင်တာဖြစ်တယ်။အဲ့တော့အဲ့ side drain တွေကိုလည်းဆိုတော့ရှင်းလင်းဖို့လိုအပ်တာဖြစ်တယ်။နောက်တစ်ခါအဲ့ profile ဘုတ်တွေထားရမယ်။ထားတဲ့အခါမှာဆိုရင်ဒီ road section အတိုင်းကိုဒီ profile ဘုတ်တွေထားမယ်တက်ပြီးတော့အဲ့ကို string ကိုကျိုးနဲ့ဆွဲထားပါမယ်။ထားပြီးတော့အဲ့ line profile ကိုတိဆောက်နိုင်တာဖြစ်တယ်။အဲ့ဒီတိဆောက်တာဆိုရင် line ရဲ့တခြားတစ်ဖက်လည်းအဲ့ပုံစံတိုင်းတိဆောက်ရမယ်။ဒါပါလဲဆိုရင်မတိဆောက်ခင်မှာဆိုရင် profile ဘုတ်တွေနဲ့ line ကိုဘယ်လိုတိဆောက်မယ်ဆိုတာနေရာချခြင်းဖြစ်တယ်။ So in this diagram, you can see the arrangement of the profile book and the location and how much to dig. And the step 8 is to mark the level of the center on the back next to the ringing rod. So that when we are putting the profile book, after that you can put the back. So that back you also need the marking. So you have to use the center line profile book, set out intermediate back every 5 meter along the center line. So every 5 meter along the center line, we have to put this backs. Now, the profile book you tell me tap your block andရှိတယ်ဆိုတော့တတ်မှတ်ထားမှာဖြစ်တယ်။တတ်မှတ်ထားပြီးတော့မှအဲ့ profile ဘုတ်တွေချပြီးတဲ့ခါမှာ back ကိုတက်မှာဖြစ်တယ်။အဲ့ back တွေတက်တဲ့ခါမှာဆိုရင်5 မီတာအကွာတိုင်းမှာအဲ့ back ကိုတက်ဖို့လိုအပ်တာဖြစ်တယ်။ And then we also place a level of the shoulder along the road. So road shoulder we have to place. So it is useful to have that the travelers are 1 meter high. So traveler has to be located at 1 meter height. So line at the traveler along the line between the two side drain profile. The place the backs are every 5 meter along the edge of the shoulder, and using the traveler mark the deep backs at the point when the bottom of the traveler end fence is lined up with the profiles. The step down is the locate and the set off the miter drain. It is important that miter drain are set out before the excavation works for the side drain and the camber is commenced. And set a level set out with the string line and side drain need to be excavated, and the remainder to lead out the miter drains block off. So those are requirements for this. So profile vote setting out the miter drain. Step 9 ကတော့ဘာကိုပြောထားတာဆိုရင်ဒီ line ရဲ့ shoulder ပုံမှာဖော်ပြတိုင်းပဲ profile vote ထားမယ်ထားပြီးတော့မှ line ရဲ့ shoulder ကိုတိဆောက်ရမယ်အဲ့မှာ drain ကိုဘယ်လိုတိဆောက်တယ်အဲ့မှာရှိတဲ့အတိုင်းအတာတွေကိုပုံမှာဖော်ပြထားတယ်နောက်တစ်ခါအဲ့ဒီနော်လမ်းရဲ့ဒီတောင်စွန်းနေရာနေပြီးတော့မှ9 မီတာအကွာတိုင်းမှာဆိုရင်ပက်ကီကိုထားဖို့လိုအပ်တာဖြစ်တယ်နောက်တစ်ခါအဲ့ဒီ miter drain တွေကိုတော့ဒီနေရာချရမယ်အဲ့ဒီ miter drain နေရာဆိုရင်လမ်းမတူးခင်မှာဆိုရင်နေရာချရမယ်နော်နောက်တစ်ခါအဲ့ဒီနော်ဒီလို string တွေကိုကျိုးတွေပုံမှန်ပြတိုင်းကျိုးဆွဲရမယ်ကျိုးဆွဲပြီးတော့မှအဲကျိုးဆွဲထားတဲ့ line တွေကိုနေရာချရမယ်ချပြီးတော့မှအဲဒီ line တွေနေရာချပြီးတော့လိုအပ်တဲ့ drain တွေကိုနော်ထုတ်ပေးဖို့အတွက်လည်းစီစဉ်ပြုလုပ်ရမှာဖြစ်တယ်We also said clearing. So clearings include the heavy bush clearing, border removal, topsoil removal. All the topsoil removal, so all the clear bush had to be clear, borders had to be clear, topsoil had to be clear. And most of the agricultural lands are the open areas that erode with a very thin topsoil layer, which can be mixed with the earthworks of the local construction. Topsoil removal is instituted using the task force and the area visits. So those things have to be done. So in this case, we have to topsoil removal only needed when the topsoil is 10 to the 15 centimeter, very organic and obviously are very much in the strength than the low soil below. Not unnecessary topsoil removal has a very little effect on the strength of the road. So those things we have to remove the topsoil removal, clear the bush, border. Those are the clearing the things. So in the diagram you can see the what kind of clearing thing have to be done. လမ်းကိုနေရာချပြီးတဲ့အခါမှာဆိုရင်တော့ချုံပုတ်တွေဖယ်ရမယ်နောက်တစ်ပင်တွေဖယ်ရမယ်နောက်ပြီးတော့တိတ်ပြီးရှိနေတဲ့ချုံပုတ်တွေကိုဖယ်ရမယ်လမ်းကိုတူးရမယ်နောက်ပြီးအမြစ်တွေကိုဖယ်ထုတ်ရမှာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့လိုမြစ်တွေဖယ်ထုတ်ရမှာဆိုရင်ပုံမှန်ဖော်ပြတဲ့အတိုင်းပဲအမြစ်တွေဘယ်လိုဖယ်ထုတ်ရမလဲဆိုတော့ပုံမှန်ဖော်ပြထားတယ်နောက်ပြီးလမ်းရဲ့အပေါ်မှာရှိတဲ့မြေကိုလည်းဖယ်ထုတ်ဖို့ပဲအဲ့ဒီမြေကဆိုရင်10 to 15 cm ရှိတယ်သူကတိတ်ပြီး organic တွေပါနေတယ်အဲ့တော့ line ရဲ့ strength ကမကောင်းဘူးအဲ့ဒါအဲ့အမြစ်အပေါ်မှာရှိတဲ့ soil ကိုလည်းဖယ်ထုတ်ရမှာဖြစ်တယ်မြေကိုလည်းဖယ်ထုတ်ရမှာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့ဒီများသောအားဖြင့်တော့စိုက်ပျိုးရေးမြေတွေအားဆိုရင်ဒါသူတို့ဒီလိုဖြစ်နေပြီလားဖြစ်တယ်သူတို့ကဆိုရင်တိုက်စားပြီးသားဖြစ်တယ်ဒါကြောင့်မလို့အဲ့ဒီမှာသူတို့မှာဆိုရင်အမှန်တမ်းနော်သားတဲ့သူအပေါ်ရမြေသားပဲရှိတယ်အဲ့နော်အဲ့လိုနော်အပေါ်ရမြေသားကိုလမ်းစီဆောက်ဖို့အတွက်ထည့်ထုတ်ရှင်းလင်းဖို့လိုအပ်တာဖြစ်တယ်And start with the rock. Basically, the local construction hour involves the digging drain and using the material to build at the camber, excavation that got to phase 4, the road and the building at the road or the embankment and the flat area with the poor drainage. So this is for the hour have to be done. Hour include the side drain excavation, cambers formation. The hour is simply to excavate the side drain and use the materials to form the cambers. Ensure that the volume of the side drain is slightly more than the front need to form the cambers. ပုံပေါ်ဖော်ပြလိုက်ရတဲ့ဒီလိုမြေသားကိုပြုလုပ်ကံခါမှာဆိုရင်တော့သူ့ကိုလမ်းကိုအဆောင်တိဆောက်ရမယ်ဘေးမှာရှိတဲ့တော့ဒီရေထုတ်မြောင်းတွေကိုတူးရမယ်အဲ့ဒါပါလဲဆိုရင်လမ်းကိုတော့တိဆောက်တဲ့မြေကြီးနဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့အလုပ်တွေဖြစ်တယ်တော့Maybe the cut to the level. The challenge are really begin when the road is a big crosser, sloping ground. The steeper the road cross road, the more the excavation needed to build the road. Always advise the steep crosser slope as possible. Locate the road on the bridge when possible. So in this case, sloping terrain road to be constructed, accident terrain low side, we can put there's a road. So this is the ways a road to be constructed, how to make the sloping terrain. Road construction and the crossing terrains have the following feature. The high side drain will have to be dug deep. The low side drain is normally not needed, and the road will have to be big on the low side. So this is the road construction cost, sloping terrain. The best way to do is to split the work into the two stages. Now, not to come as in the land. ဒီဆောက်တဲ့ခါမှာဆိုရင်ဒီဆောက်မဲ့လမ်းဆိုရင်အဆောင်ဖြစ်နေတယ်အဆောင်ဖြစ်နေတယ်လမ်းကိုဘယ်လိုဒီဆောက်ရမလဲအဲ့ဒါဆိုရင်တော့တင့်တော်တို့လမ်းကိုမျိုးဟိုတက်လို့တူးဖို့လိုအပ်တာဖြစ်တယ်တင့်တော်တို့တူးရမယ်အဲ့ဒီခါမှာနော်ပိတ်ပြီးတော့စောင်းပြီးတော့မမဆက်ဆောင်းနေတဲ့အဲ့ဒါကိုရှောင်းကင်းဖို့လိုအပ်တယ်အဲ့တော့အဲ့ဒီနော်ဒီဆောက်တဲ့ခါမှာဆိုရင်အဲ့ဒီပိတ်ပြီးတော့မြင့်မားနေတဲ့ဒီ drain တွေကိုဆိုရင်ဒါနဲ့ခြားခြားတူးဖို့လိုအပ်တယ်နေတဲ့ drain တွေကြတော့ပိတ်ပြီးတူးဖို့မလိုဘူးအဲ့ဒါမှဆိုရင်အဲ့လိုခါမှဆိုရင်လောက်ကနေတဲ့တိုင်းမှာဆိုရင်ကမြေကိုဖြစ်ရမယ်အဲ့မှာပုံမှန်ပေါ်ပြတယ်စောင်းနေဆိုရင်လမ်းတိဆောက်ဖို့ဆိုရင်အဲ့နေတဲ့အပိုင်းကိုတက်နေတယ်လို့မြေကိုဖြည့်ပေးဖို့လိုအပ်တယ်အဲ့လိုဖြည့်ဖို့လေဒါလိုအပ်တဲ့မြေသားဆိုင်ရာလှုပ်ဆောင်မှုတွေနောက်ပြီးတော့မြေကိုဖြည့်ပေးတာတွေကိုဆောင်ရွက်ဖို့လိုတယ်you can see the excavate the high side drain and the front camber. In this case, you can see that in the road. In this case, on the low side, you don't need to put the drain, and the high side, you have to put the drain, and you also make the front camber. And the point for that, I mean, I mean, see there, I mean, by my so in a drain, dissolve like me, and I by dissolve low, that will be new, to tend to see people over there. And this all the case method of the working stage are the excavation approximately balance the amount of fee needed. So by making the excavation, it can also balance the amount of fee needed. And also that the free material can be obtained as close as possible to where it's needed, reducing the need for the longitude of the haulage. By leveling the formation only as far as the edge of the road and then sloping down to the natural ground, reduce the excavation and in most cases avoid the need for the side drain on the low side. The excavation and the fill are the balance each side of the center line, but the width of the excavation has to give the sufficient room for the side drain to the dark, defeats the setting of the dimension of the excavation on the high side. For example, assuming the load carries the width of the 5 by 5 meter and the side drain width of the 1 by 5 meter, the total leveling width of the outside of the center line will be 5 by 5 divided by 2 plus 1 by 5 to 4 by 2 5 meter. And at the time, I say, query below Chiati, Dilo, no, the two large are swing up, people below the amount, Damone, changeable yare, W below Piame, defeated. Piame, the city of Tushia in a Yashibio, a Duyan and Yashi, the city of Piama, don't you know? Now, the Lao, the South Hamasui, the ten of the low, no, to sound you, the ten of the nature ground, Yashia, Tapawa, Nina, can you on the South Yare, Elo Tisao, then a local Tapawa, Nina, in a Kanya, Tisao Yabi, no, two Luade, no, Pamana, the Lieutenant, short up in and not to Edilo, no, two below Piami, Pidari, Eddie, two Bian Pidari, so in ten of the low, no, that might be a dying daddy or beautiful at that today. No, now that Pomachida Kama, so look at this castle in another Manamida, a Cheshide, a side drain as we know, 1 by 5 meter, Shide, a Susupao, no, or send a lion, Bidoma, no. Shinia Medilo, a dying out of blue camera, 5 by 5 or 2 Nesapi or 1 by 5 boy, 4 by 2 5 will be army. Davas way, Lao, not side drain or pressure it, no. Ubama, both up today. You can also see the day by day as walk. So the day 1, day 2, day 3, so we can make the excavation and we can do the job. When the center of the profile are set out at the 1 meter above the ground level, we can measure the height of the high side profile to take as the how steep the slope is, and the depth of the cart, and the volume of the leveling walk and the back sloping. So you can see the 1 meter, so all the level, and then we can make the depth of the excavation, how to set the depth of the excavation. Now, Poma Popular time line profile or line or the Kamasi, the Patamaya, Tudia, Tatia, below the South Mesolao, Popia Tame, Eddie Kamasi, South Kamasi, below, no, a sound or a disapolo, they be below. and Neko do Luade, Palau, a local people Luade, so I bone Gibio, Sonkalo Yale. Ericama say Boma, Duria Boma, Popianaro, one meter, I mean, she did the Saibo, that's Habio, Elo, that's Habio Kama, Elo, Mudibioma, Palau, China, do Luade, so Cheney people Luade. In this case, when there is a little cross slope, so it is possible to, in the every height of the high side profile, the 90 or 95 centimeter, it is possible to dig the high side drain without leveling fast. However, there are the advantage to leveling in these conditions. Setting out the side drain easier on the level surface, and the side drain easier to pay to the correct shape. The supervisor will usually level these minor cross slopes. The setting out in these cases will be different as there is no advantage in the leveling right and thought to be the center aligned. The leveling that would then be done from the road shoulder to the outer side of the side drain. So from the 2.75 meter to 4.25 meter, measure out from the center line in the example above. So in this case, as you can see, the side or the sideboard we put and the dimension, and then we can make the leveling or the dotted line need to be leveled out. The subject comma swing the line profile masswing now. Near mother back one 2 VM, 2 PPM, a level, beautiful lower that today. A comma side ring swing, no. The arrow, this out in Yapian, the side ring is our board, a nearby bell, you know, 2 view level. Arrow, Yapian, no, the side ring, let me know that you bone them, few piano, this out for lower there. The subject comma swing, no. 2.75 meter and 4.25 meter IT level train will disable what a disable bioma now Poma Popia Diame now 2.75 and 4.5 meter a low camera and a shime a BOT and now must 1.5 meter a must side train Sawame so no disable dressing a new 2 PM. This diagram you can see is a leveling practice. In this case, it's an ascending row, and there's a descending row is that all levels are not equal, so that we have to move the appropriate way, and then you have to make the cut. So in this case, only that this leveling practice only applies to a new construction. When the rehabilitating the ascending row, leveling row should be kept to the minimum. So in this case, this is the ascending row is a level is a no good. In this case, we have to put the rehabilitating. So we have to calculate the volume to be excavated from the more common profile height to the fall in the practice. So that before that we have to we do the job, you also need to calculate the amount of the volume to be excavated. This volume can be given to the supervisor in table form and can be used to work out the work they needed to carry out the excavation and used to report the volume that complete the work. So that therefore the amount of the volume of the art to be removed is determine the number of work days. So this is the volume need to be accurately need to be calculated. Then based on this volume, the supervisor will have to calculate the amount of the work day requirements. The slope of the ground is not saying along the length of the road to set out the work. We have to find the average slope over the 20 meter section. So in this case, the slope of the road is this is for the different from the one place to another place. So in this case, over the 20 meter section, we have to find out the average. We have to measure the slope and then we have to find out the average. Now, Poma Popia, let's say the land is the subject. Do you know how much Yami Pubiame, so in Poma Popia, how Mulashi, the land, and our Pindolo, Piami, Pubiame, and Pubiamo lower the Elo. You will lower the swing, below you 2 armlay, below you can 2 armless or out couple. And you dread the Pamana swing, no do you supervisor in a dread the house, Madanta, Metabi, a dread the Pamana or Moody Bioma, me people, me 2 lower the Pamana or Moody Bioma, or a little map below Lume, no year below. Jada Boames or Quachable Luade. A Twitter Kama swing, no, a south, a sour swing, not the Niatina, Quachamu, Shide, the Yamlo, 20 meter for Brahma. Time a 20 meters are my la sound you time to my adadio Jania in you also start constructed camber and the side drain construction. So we had to start excavators a side drain and then we have to make the levee. Once the excavation the field has been completed, road camber is constructed using the soil from the side drain and the back slope. So the after the side drains are that we did fast and that those soil are utilized and then you can construct the cambers. So the excavated soil from the drain should be first be thrown to the center of the road, and where is the level of Dua and the road shoulder from the canvas. Side drain excavation is done to the two stages. The firstly, the ditch is excavated, then the side slope of the ditch is excavated. Normally, the 1 or 2 days allowed between each stage to allow the sufficient working place of the space of the worker. The side drain excavation is setting up using a straight line and the back control by using disc templates. Now, for the other time, but also train line or do me, do be my two yard and you my lamp, lema tame tabioma, you lamp, povo loading. And I let's say, Bowman land these out, I don't these out pity. These out the commas when I do side drain to for DNA, Jare, a side drain of 2 large yellow, 2 wood up, 2 mamas swing that, straight line effective, 2 wood at the head of 2 pity. For the construction of the ditching and the sloping. The depths are the size as the length of the side drain for each worker. The sloping dike is normally set by slightly higher than the ditching dikes. Because of the excavation of the soil on the slope field is easier to get it of the excavation of ditch, the soil excavated from the side drain are used to construct the road canvas. To achieve the X and the properly level canvas, the wall is set out by using back and stream. Now, for my diameter to line so training this out the ID of the bone for that. I dissolve the commas in training dissolve to level and use so long of Jamie Puame and Povo at all. Eddie Massey Boma, Bone Dinner Bodima Poviana, so in the drain below dissolve and below, ni Pume Swao, dissolve that pity. Piata pity. This is a construction of the road, so you could say that we see the both side drain and the formation of the road. Once the soil for the canvas has been leveled, the canvas is properly compact. Make sure that the soil contains the optimum moisture content. After canvas has been leveled, so all has to be compact, and the moisture need to be minimum. After the compaction has been completed, it is important to check the final level of the road canvas. It's the exact and the prescribed standard of quality. So after canvas has been completed, you have to check. This is either be done by the setting of the profile board against the controlling the level between the profile with the traveler. So you can see how to put the profile board. Those profile boards are report, and we can make the draw the graph, and then we can make the comparison. A quicker method, however, less accurate, use a screen line to check the level of the completed surface. If the surface level are inaccurate, the irregularity should be removed or the fill-in. If the further fill-in is required, make sure that the pitching is also properly compact. Finally, the B1 again the checking of the levels to ensure that the artworks are completed to correct the standards. And all, you need to be your two be the comma, so I need to be big young below the comma, so in think of the law, no, the people in you and never be a below today. And I don't look at the comma, the land area, Manama, so Poma Pure, I made Julie Sway, my Julie, and the Tao, G. Biloma. I see the bone in Nepanama, no, the sign of the Makani, as you know, since I saw Piama Pity. And all the little Makai Buso in not, I don't think not me, Pita, or people who are Pity. And all, no, Mamma Magan Pity, the old ship, Piame, not think of people who are Pity. A bit of the lower Bioma, a land was not the low, no, baby up beautiful right. Embankment. The embankment requires the amount of the free materials to the expenses to construct. This should apply the possible sled in the longer route on the higher ground. The where possible materials should be excavated alongside the road and then carried to the road by the basket of the wheelbarrow. And important to keep the height of the embankment to this requirement. Height and your flood level also used to determine the embankment height. So when we are designing this embankment, the annual flood level has to be concerned about. Center line alignment should be carefully selected to avoid the low line area requiring extra phase. So this is the ways we have the embankment. And I'll be the comma so line this of the comma so Lama Yiri Mapola Kimala although I got with it. No, Nila, Tane, Nayan, the Disabulode, Elo Disab the comma so no land is of the comma below, no Wamane, a land of water comma so no, you done a lot Piame PPO, no, a car with a pillow load. No, a low car with people load so listen this by Masway, the low below here below now. P9 a P9 or moody biloma, I don't need the lao, no, the material, then I do. Hint have your disarmy, a look hint have lowered a me, hint have lowered a year so hint have lowered a me Pamana, so no, to listen, G below Swamo 9, a Swamo 9, Pamana, Gagwe Botre, Yeti, the chapter. နောက်ထို့တူပဲဒီလိုလမ်းကိုအလေကြောင်းလမ်းဦးကြောင်းနဲ့တော့ချိန်ညှိဖို့အတွက်တော့လိုအပ်ပါဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့တော့လမ်းကြီးဦးကြောင်းပါဆိုရင်တော့တညီတဲ့ဖြစ်နေဖို့အတွက်ကဆိုရင်တချို့နေရာတွေမှာဆိုရင်မြေတွေပြန်ပြီးတော့ညှိပြီးတော့ဖြည့်ဖို့လိုအပ်တယ်Ours are volume calculation. When we design a road, so on the plot diagrams, we have the line canvas and the excavation. So this is the design. Then we have to calculate. So we have to calculate the amount of the hour calculation. The calculation of the hour quantity is especially important for the planning and the control of the embankments and construction operation. It is necessary to apply the simple accurate method of the estimating embankment quantity at the site level. The standard cross-sectional dimensions are fixed by the national or the program specification. So we have to utilize the IO. So in this case, the road with the 5 by 5 meter, slope 1 to 2, clearance, the height above is the 0.5 meter. This is a typical design of the road. Now, ပြီးတဲ့ခါမှာဆိုရင်ဒီလိုမြေကြီးဘလောက်တော့တူတယ်ဘလောက်ရှိတယ်ဆိုတော့တွက်ချက်ဖို့လိုတယ်တွက်ချက်ဖို့လိုတဲ့ခါမှာဆိုရင်လမ်းကိုပုံမှန်ဒီဇိုင်းလုပ်ရမယ်ဒီဇိုင်းလုပ်ပြီးတော့မှဘလောက်မြေကြီးကိုတော့တိုင်းတာဖို့တော့တူးပေးဖို့လိုတယ်ဆိုတော့တွက်ချက်ရမှာဖြစ်တယ်တွက်တဲ့ခါပုံမှန်ဖော်ပြတဲ့အတိုင်းပဲလမ်းရဲ့အခြေအားဆိုရင်တော့ 5 မီတာရှိတယ် 8% slope ရှိတယ်ပြီးတော့မှအဆောင်းနေရာဆို1 to 2% ရှိတယ်နောက်ပြီးအဲ့ဒီ water level ကိုရှင်းဖို့အတွက်ဆိုရင်တော့ 0.5 မီတာရှိတယ်အဲ့လိုပုံစံမျိုးလမ်းကိုဒီဇိုင်းလုပ်ထားတာကိုတွေ့ရမယ်တွေ့တဲ့ခါမှာအဲ့မှာအောက်ဒုတိယပုံမှာပြထားတာဆိုတော့အဲ့တော့အမြင့်တော့ 0.5 မီတာအမြင့်ဖြစ်တဲ့လမ်းကိုတော့တိဆောက်လိုက်မယ်တိဆောက်လိုက်ခြင်းအပြင်ဒီလမ်းကိုတင်လာမှာကိုကျော်လွန်နိုင်မှာဖြစ်တယ်